to ask you, how are you? How are you is wohun to say. Yeah, wohun to say. Wohun to say. So let's go to the video and see. So there are two ways that you can have it, realize it. It's just like English when somebody asks you, how are you doing? Or asks you, how is it going? Yeah, so we have to sing, or you can simply say to sing. So let's use the second one, it's quite easy. So let's use the second one, to sing. That means, how are you? So the first one is what? Udin the same. Udin the same. And the second one is Medindi. Now when I ask you Medindi, good. Then you ask the person, how are you? How are you? It's the same. Mehuye. Okay, so let's do that practice real quick. I am good. I'm fine.